Welcome to the Travel Man channel. In this video, we're taking a beautiful coastal drive along one of Australia's most famous roads, the Great Ocean Road. You'll see stunning ocean views, quiet beach towns, peaceful rivers between mountains, and some truly relaxing places along the way. From drone shots in the sky to slow drives along the coast, this journey is all about enjoying nature and discovering the heart of Victoria's coastline. Let's begin this long and unforgettable road trip. From high above, the Great Ocean Road slowly comes into view, stretching along the edge of the cliffs, with the ocean rolling endlessly beside it. The road curves gently along the coastline, following the natural shape of the land, almost as if it was always meant to be there. This road is not just beautiful. It carries a very special story. The Great Ocean Road was built by returned soldiers after the First World War. Construction began in 1919, and the road took more than 10 years to complete. It was created as a living memorial for those who lost their lives in the war. Many of the workers carved the road by hand, cutting through rock and steep hills using very basic tools. As the drone follows the road, you can clearly see how challenging the land must have been for the builders. On one side, there are tall cliffs and thick forest. On the other, the Southern Ocean stretches wide and open. The wooden sign of the Great Ocean Road stands proudly beside the road, welcoming travelers from around the world. It feels like more than just a sign. It feels like the start of something special. A reminder that this journey is about more than driving. It is about history, effort, and the connection between people and this wild coastline. The Great Ocean Road is about 240 kilometers long and runs between Torquay and Allansford in Victoria. Today, it is one of the most visited coastal drives in Australia. People come here to slow down, to breathe fresh ocean air, and to reconnect with nature. Not far along the road, we arrive at the coastal town of Anglesea. From the air, Anglesea looks soft and welcoming. The beach curves gently around the bay, and the town sits quietly behind the dunes and low hills. It feels like the kind of place where life moves at an easier pace. Anglesea is well known for its wide sandy beach and relaxed atmosphere. The sand here has a slightly reddish color, which gives the beach a warm and unique look, especially when the sun is low in the sky. The water at Anglesea Beach is clear and calm on most days. From above, you can see the shallow areas close to the shore, where the color slowly fades from light blue into deeper shades further out. It is a great place for swimming, walking along the water, or simply sitting on the sand and watching the waves come in. Anglesea is also a popular stop for people traveling along the Great Ocean Road who want a peaceful break from driving. It is known as a friendly seaside town, with small cafes, local shops, and open spaces where families and travelers can relax. One of the special things about Anglesea is how close everything feels. The beach, the town, and the natural bushland are all connected. Just behind the town, there are walking tracks and open areas where wildlife can often be seen, including kangaroos resting in the shade. From the drone, the beach looks wide and open, with plenty of space for everyone to enjoy the coastline without feeling crowded. The gentle waves roll onto the shore, and the soft sound of the ocean carries across the sand. Anglesea feels like a perfect place to pause during a long road trip. A place to breathe, to slow down, and to enjoy the simple beauty of the sea before continuing further along this unforgettable coastal journey. Leaving Anglesea behind, the drive becomes quieter and more peaceful. The road gently moves through open land and rolling hills, and the feeling slowly changes from beach town to deep, natural coastline. Soon, the drone lifts up and reveals the beautiful area of Wongarra. From above, you can clearly see a calm river flowing gently between two green mountain ranges. The land opens up into a wide valley, and the river slowly winds its way through the grass and trees before making its journey toward the ocean. Wongarra is a small and quiet coastal area, known for its open space, farmland, and natural beauty. It sits along one of the calmer and less busy parts of the Great Ocean Road, making it feel peaceful and untouched. The river below looks soft and steady, moving at its own pace. From the sky, you can see how it cuts through the land like a silver line, connecting the mountains to the sea. This is one of those places where nature feels perfectly balanced. Water, hills, sky, and open land all come together in one wide view. The green hills rise gently on both sides of the valley, protecting the river as it flows toward the coast. There is a quiet strength in this landscape. It does not try to impress loudly. Instead, it slowly draws you in with its calm and space. Wongarra is also close to some of the Great Ocean Road's most famous natural areas and forests, which makes it an important part of this coastline. Many travelers pass through without stopping, but from above, you can clearly see how special this place really is. The drone slowly follows the path of the river as it heads toward the ocean. The light reflects off the water, and the surrounding trees sway gently in the breeze. It feels like a hidden pocket of nature resting quietly between the mountains and the sea. This stretch of the journey reminds you that the Great Ocean Road is not only about cliffs and beaches. It is also about peaceful valleys, flowing rivers, and the quiet beauty. From above, the road looks peaceful and quiet. Cars move slowly along the bends. The sea changes color as the light hits the surface, shifting from deep blue to soft turquoise near the shore. Waves gently break along the rocks below, creating white lines along the coast. This view makes you realize why the Great Ocean Road is so loved. It offers space. It offers calm. And it gives travelers the feeling that time does not need to move so fast. As the journey continues, the road slowly leads us toward the historic seaside town of Queenscliff. From above, Queenscliff looks calm and the town sits gently along the coastline, with beautiful old houses spread across the hills and along the shore. Many of these homes face the sea, and from the drone you can clearly see how carefully the town has grown around the landscape instead of replacing it. Queenscliff is one of the oldest seaside towns in Victoria. It became important in the 1800s because of its position at the entrance to Port Phillip Bay. Ships travelling in and out of Melbourne had to pass through this narrow stretch of water, and Queenscliff played a big role in guiding and protecting them. The sand is light in colour, clean and wide, and the water looks calm compared to the wild ocean view seen earlier along the Great Ocean Road. This side of the coast feels quieter and gentler. What makes Queenscliff special is the way the town sits slightly above the beach. Houses and streets climb slowly up the hill, giving many homes beautiful sea views. From above, the rooftops form soft patterns, blending into the trees and open space around them. Queenscliff has a warm and welcoming feel. It is a place where history, quiet streets, and coastal life come together naturally. It feels like a town that invites you to slow down, walk a little longer, and enjoy the simple beauty of being by the water. Queenscliff Beach is a perfect place for a relaxed swim. The water here is usually calmer, making it popular with families and visitors who prefer a gentle ocean experience. We take a short swim here, letting the cool water wash away the long drive. It feels refreshing and peaceful. The sound of the water is soft and steady, very different from the powerful waves seen along the open ocean earlier in the trip. After leaving Queenscliff, we take a different route and begin a peaceful drive through forest and open country. The road becomes narrower, and the scenery slowly changes. Tall trees line both sides of the road, and sunlight breaks through the leaves, creating soft moving shadows across the path. This part of the journey feels calm and grounding. The air feels cooler, and the sounds of the coast fade for a while, replaced by the quiet of the forest. It is a gentle reminder that the Great Ocean Road is not only about the ocean. It also connects deep natural areas and peaceful landscapes along the way. Soon, the road opens up again, and we arrive in the beautiful coastal town of Lorne. Lorne is one of the most popular and lively towns along the Great Ocean Road. It is known for its relaxed beach lifestyle, great walking tracks, and its close connection to the surrounding forest and waterfalls in the Otways. From above, Lorne town sits neatly between the green hills and the wide blue ocean. The houses climb gently up the hillside, and the main street runs along the coast, filled with small cafes, shops, and places to stop and enjoy the view. The drone slowly moves along Lorne Beach, showing its long and open shoreline. The sand is soft and bright, and the water reflects the sky in gentle shades of blue and green. People walk along the edge of the water, some stopping to take photos, others simply enjoying the fresh air. Lorne Beach is well known for its safe swimming areas and relaxed feel. It is a place where families gather, surfers wait for gentle waves, and travelers stop to rest after a long drive along the coast. What makes Lorne special is how closely the town and nature sit together. Just behind the beach, the forested hills rise quickly, leading into the Great Otway National Park. This means that in one day, you can enjoy the ocean in the morning and walk through rainforest in the afternoon. From the sky, the view of Lorne feels perfectly balanced. The town, the beach, the hills, and the forest all sit side by side, creating a peaceful and welcoming end to this part of our Great Ocean Road journey. As our journey along the Great Ocean Road slowly comes to an end, it's hard not to feel grateful for everything this coastline offers. From the long open roads beside the ocean, to quiet rivers between the mountains, soft sandy beaches, friendly towns, and peaceful forest drives, every stop along the way has shown a different side of this beautiful part of Australia. What makes the Great Ocean Road so special is not only the views, but the feeling you get while traveling it. The freedom of the drive, the fresh air, the sound of the waves, and the simple joy of stopping whenever something catches your eye. This road reminds us to slow down, to look around, and to truly enjoy the places we visit instead of rushing through them. Thank you for joining me on this journey along the Great Ocean Road. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Travel Man channel for more adventures and breathtaking views from Australia and beyond.